Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Black Shark 4, and today I would like to show you how you can find all device specifications on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and tap on the search bar. Then you need to type DevCheck and download this free app from this developer. Then click on Open. As you can see from here, you can find out all the informations about your XIAOMI's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!